Why was DNS created for the Internet? Imagine trying to remember a long string of numbers every time you want to visit your favorite website. It would be like memorizing hundreds of phone numbers. That's where the domain name system, or DNS, comes into play. It was created to make the Internet easier to use by turning complicated numbers into simple names. Back in the early days of the Internet, computers used something called Internet Protocol addresses. These are sets of numbers that identify each device connected to the network. But as more devices joined, managing these addresses became a huge challenge. The original system used a file called hosts.txt, which listed every computer's name and IP address. This file was stored on a central server and had to be manually updated and shared. As the number of devices grew rapidly, this system became slow and unmanageable. In the year 1983, two engineers from the University of Southern California named Paul Makapetris and John Postel developed a new way. They designed a hierarchical and distributed database system called DNS. This system allowed different organizations to manage their own parts of the database, making it scalable and easier to update. It also automated the process of translating human-friendly names into IP addresses, so users could just type in a website name instead of a long string of numbers. The DNS structure includes top-level domains like .com, .org, and these are managed by different organizations, which helps keep the system organized and flexible. This hierarchy meant that the Internet could grow much faster without one central authority getting overwhelmed. By 1986, DNS became an official Internet standard supported by software like Berkeley Internet Name Domain, or BIND. This software made it possible for DNS servers to communicate and share information worldwide. This was a major step in the digital revolution, transforming the Internet from a small research network into a global system used by billions of people and devices today. In essence, DNS was created to replace the manual, cumbersome process of managing IP addresses with an automated, user-friendly system. It made the Internet more accessible and adaptable, supporting the rapid growth of digital technology and the connected world we live in now. This innovation played a key role in the development of Internet protocols and the broader digital and industrial revolutions that have shaped modern communication.